This is Gadgets Magazine TV, and here's the latest news.
Get your hands on the much-awaited iPhone 12 series by pre-ordering it through Globe. You can take your pick from among the iPhone 12, iPhone 12 mini, iPhone 12 Pro, or iPhone 12 Pro Max, and avail of special introductory pricing and your choice of payment options. Check out the more affordable ways you can get your hands on the new iPhone 12, powered by Globe 5G. For a limited time period, Globe will be offering the iPhone 12 series at lower cash outs. This means you can get the iPhone 12 at just 900 pesos per month with the plan 1799 for a 24-month lockup period. Customers also have the option to choose a longer lockup with lower total cash outs and monthly payments. The iPhone 12 can be yours for as low as 450 per month if you are a new customer and 350 per month if you are a recontracting customer with the plan 1799 through this lockup option. Available for both new and recontracting customers, you can pay in fixed monthly installments for up to 36 months with 0% interest using your BPI or HSBC credit card. Globe is also offering special cash-out rates for customers who are ready to renew their postpaid plans, with discounts of up to 3,600 pesos on the cash-out if you're on the plan 1799 or higher, and if you choose the 36-month lockup option. Globe postpaid customers can avail of these plans from the Globe online shop at glbe.co/iPhone 12, Globe online shop Facebook Messenger, select Globe stores, or visit www.globe.com.ph/iPhone 12. Globe Platinum customers, on the other hand, may also pre-order through their relationship managers, Thea, their digital assistant on Facebook Messenger, and at www.globe.com.ph/platinum/iPhone-12.